So I'm taking the carrot seeds and I'm putting them in this antique, looks like pepper or salt shaker. This is my backup system just in case, to see if the seeds will fit through the holes. So if I'm shaking, does it fit through the holes? And it does, easily. So that's good. So now I'm gonna add the seeds to the sand that's inside and shake it again and see if it gets a bit of disbursement than this clustered section right here. That way I don't have to thin them out so much, which of course is the goal. So let's see what happens. So they're kind of spread out a little bit. I think I'm gonna do that instead. Okay, see what's inside here. Okay, might be a lot of seeds in there left, I don't know. Even if so, if I go in the end, I don't know. I think this is a good deal. Okay, here's my spot. I only used half the oil because the onions I use on the other half. This is on the edge of my garden, so I had to be creative here. Trying to rotate crops. It's a little bit challenging some years. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put some cover on it. It's supposed to rain a little bit tonight, maybe 30% chance, so probably not. And I will watch this come up and see how totally unorganized, or hopefully unclustered. The goal is to have them far enough apart that they don't really have to be thinned out that much. And when I said maybe the hole was smaller, normally I do it out of like my fingers, or with, I shake my hand, you know, like through the fingers. I don't know, different ways to get seeds in, but the very tiny opening of that bottle, not the top, not the holes, but just the lid, I mean the neck, might be enough to make a difference. So we shall see. I just wanted to show you how well placed these seeds are. It's so exciting. Look, they're very, very nicely placed. And anything that's too close, like you can see this one might have to be pulled, but not yet. As they get bigger, and I can pull them and put them into a little baby salad, or, you know, some people just cook the whole thing with the greens. I've not done that, but this might be the year for it. I will say the system, even with all the sticks, which I have, are not good enough to keep my cat out. So I have big holes here. My cat was walking in. Kept the dog out, but didn't keep out the cats. So if you have garden animals like I do, you have any tricks, let me know. But for the carrots, they're doing stellarly. Happy gardening.